Hello guys, it's me Sanjay here. Welcome to Python Bootcamp. So day one. So in this session, it is going to be about overview of Python, and it is all about Python notebooks and such stuffs. And I hope you can able to hear me. Is it audible or not? So if it is audible, you just post it's audible Sanjay in your live chat. So thank you so much for the people who are all present here, guys. So before going on to the session, I would like to welcome the people who are all present here. The first message, I'm really very happy. Thank you so much, Gautam Verma, because it is your third session with me, I think, and Aarti also there. And Ashra Mohammed, thank you so much for guessing that I'm going to be your instructor on this Python Bootcamp 10-day session. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Good evening, and good evening Chakrala, hi. Good evening Shubham, good evening Asma, good evening Mohammed, Ranima, good evening Lakshmi, and Pratiksha, hi, good evening, and James, hi sir, Rajendra Kumar, hi, and Sachin, hi, Rabia, hi, good evening, and Sanjana, hi, Anuj, hi, and Adarsh, hi, Najia, hi, SK Afreen, hi, GTM, hi, Ravindra Bhatnagar, hi, Farhin, hi, Praveen, hi, and Rajeshwari, hi, Madhu Kumar, hi, Sagar, hi, Priyanka, hi, and Krishna, hi, and Hitesh Kumar, hi sir, good to meet you again. And Shakil, thank you so much. Gautam Verma, thank you so much for your that emojis. Arun Kumar, thank you so much. Sumet, SK Afreen, and Rahul Ray, Pramila, Balavishnu, hi guys, hi. Good evening so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much. Lot of good evening is here. So it is really a great kind of vibration, guys. Sai Harsharadi is here. Hi, Sai Harsharadi. Wonderful. Thank you so much for having your presence here, and thank you so much for your warm welcome, guys. So I hope you guys are ready for the session. So before that, there is an announcement. So attendance link will be available around 4:30 p.m. in the live chat. So once the session is completed, start filling up the attendance form. Until then, please don't rush up for the attendance form, because you just stay focused only on the session. You are not here for certifications, or you're not here for just for putting attendance. You are here for learning. So once the session is completed, start filling up the attendance form. Until then, stay connected or stay engaged with the session, guys. Okay, so I hope you all ready for the session. If you all super ready for the session, you just post I'm super ready Sanjay in your live chat. Karthikeyan is here. Hi Karthikeyan, and hi Milton Gaming, hi Adibola, hi sir. Thank you so much for attending each and every day of our events. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Okay, so if you are ready, you just post I'm super ready Sanjay in your live chat. So before that, yes, so there is going to be a bonus which is waiting for you. So only thing you need to do is you just going to state LIN, so that you are going to get a bonus, and a lot more stuff which is going to be there, because so previously we have learned something like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and something like that. So on that we have learned the Python programming as a subcategory, like we are learned parallelly. But here what we are going to do is some people are not needed artificial intelligence, but they need Python programming separately. So that's why this bootcamp, which is only for the people who are only interested in Python programming. Thank you so much, guys. Lot of people are posting I'm super ready. Aarti, Arun, and Rishabh, Rajeshwari, Shaikh, Rabiatu, Rakesh, Sai Charan, and Ajay, Kalyani. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for people who posting super ready Sanjay. Okay, so now what is the thing? Yes, of course, it's my pleasure to give introduction about our Pantech ProLabs, which was established on 2004, and we are having research and development center in Chennai. We are also we are the manufacturer of several products, and we are also providing solutions for every level projects, including industrial level, and also we are providing the courses, because this is our expertise. So 2004, from the 2004 this 2021, we have gained a lot of knowledge on the field of technology. So we are in the journey of delivering that experience, this much kind of experience to you. We are this kind of courses, and while talking about a training expertise, we have conducted 2000 plus workshop, 250 plus faculty development programs, 100 plus seminars, and 10,000 plus webinars. And our goal is to serve 10 million people in the field of learning. Okay, and then yes, so the people who already attended my session may know about these problems. So those some kind of basic stuffs. I hope it won't be boring for you anyhow. Okay, so what is the problem? So why I'm talking about the problem first of all? What is the problem here is it is representing problems people faced on the learnings. Okay, whenever you are learning something, so you are facing a lot of problems as a people, as a me or student or industrialist or a professors, lectures, anyone. So they are used to face a lot of problem in the field of learning. So what are the problems? Let us list down something. More content. You just tell me, if I'm going to take the class for 12 hours, will you stay in the class? Definitely not, right? So that is a more content. If it is more content, you won't what to say, you won't listen. And second one, hard to learn. If it is very difficult, and there are a lot of what to say, a lot of complex kind of terminologies, if it is being used, you won't learn. That is hard, that is a second difficulty. And third one, less application. If you can't able to develop project by your own, you are not building any project, you are learning only algorithm or concept, it is totally waste. You won't learn. That's the third one. And fourth one, not interactive. If the session is not interactive, if you are not interacting with your instructor, so if your instructor is not responding you, so that is also definitely you won't learn. And not precise. If they are not giving precise information, so these are the problems. So how many of you guys agree to this point where you are facing a problem on the field of learning? So if you are agreeing this point, you just post I agree Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so guys, these are the problems. Whenever there is a more content, you won't learn. Whenever there is a hard to whenever if it is very complex to understand, so then definitely you won't learn. And if it is less application, not interactive, not precise, definitely you won't learn. I hope you will agree to this point. Okay, and some people still know, some people are telling that lack of information, but you can take these and all problem, but you can't take lack of information as a problem, because there is no lack of information. Why I'm telling that is, if you are typing Python programming in Google or in a YouTube, you are getting millions and millions of results. So the problem is not a lack of. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting I agree. Vidyasagar, Sampath, Kamatam Pooja, Petlover, Sana Kanam, and Aki. Thank you so much, guys. Hi, Yash and Mansi, Suraj sir, thank you so much, guys. Lot of people are posting that I agree. Wonderful. Thank you so much for your response, guys. Okay, so I'm telling you guys, there is no lack of information. So whatever you want something, you are going to type it in a Google or YouTube, you are getting millions and millions of results. So that is not a lack of information. The problem is not a lack of information, guys. The problem is information overload. So you may ask why he is not taking a Python programming, why he is saying these kind of unwanted stuff. It is not like unwanted, because people are not having awareness, because it is not being taught in your school, it is not being taught in your college, it is not being taught by your parents or some of the people, right? So that's why I want to spread that awareness to you. So the problem is not a lack of information now. In this generation, the problem is information overload. You are having millions and millions of data, or millions and millions of results, so you don't know where we are learning properly, or where we are where we are overcoming these kind of problems. Okay, so the solution, so we are providing this. So the solution is clear cut, what people actually need: clear cut, precise and focused implementation with clear mentorship. So this is what actually people need. So we are the concept like application based learning. We are about to deliver that knowledge in the way of to solve this 5 problems. Okay, so I hope you all are excited to learn with me, and I hope you all really love this. If you love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so Vishal, don't speak speed, sir. Doesn't catch up. Thank you so much for posting that. Definitely, I'll go slow now. Okay, yeah, so so these are the solutions, and it's me, guys, it's me, Sanjay. Working as a product manager in Pantech Solutions, and my technological expertise, which is about, first of all, I started my career on brain computer interface technology, and then MATLAB, and then embedded system, and Internet of Things, and I moved on to Python programming and artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analytics, and such stuffs. And then currently I'm just working on some of the autonomous robot design, so such kind of things. This was my journey throughout the technology. So so other than that, these are the other stuffs. Okay, so I hope you guys all well known about Elon Musk, right? That is the first technology which I've started my career, brain computer interface. So in this picture, we had this device, so that is the device which is BrainSense, which is our product, where it will be very helpful for interfacing your brain with the computer. I hope you really excited to see that. So that is like Elon is also working on it. I hope you all know about Elon Musk, right? So Elon Musk's Neuralink. So the company where they are working, where they are used to interface their brain with the computer. So that is the technology where I started. So I just moved on. Now I'm just currently on autonomous robot designs. So okay, so and then let us go for without wasting time, let us go with a Python introduction. So I hope you all super ready for that. And before that, I would like to say some thing where people are having their own doubts in their brain, which is running out. So what all the stuff says, don't think if I'm not having any programming language, shall I attend? This was your first question, I think, for some of the people. Don't worry, because I am going to teach completely from the scratch. Okay, don't worry guys, definitely I'm going to teach completely it from the scratch. Okay, and second doubt, what is the prerequisites? So while talking about the prerequisites, if you have a laptop, that will be very fine. Okay, so normal laptop, that's okay. Okay, don't worry about some people will think that I need a graphical processing unit or something like that. If it is a normal laptop, that will be okay. Okay, so I hope you have cleared I have cleared some of the basic doubts. Okay. Okay, so Aarti, I already know about Elon Musk. Wonderful. Okay, so yes, definitely I'll go slow. Okay, so Nikunj, thank you so much for posting that. Okay, so thank you so much guys. I hope you all ready for it. Okay, so let us go for the session guys. So here we are going to work on a Python and then some of the notebooks as well. So before that, I would like to explore with the help of the mind map here. So Python bootcamp. So each and every day you are going to see this kind of mind map thing. So first of all, Python introduction. So I'm not going to boring you by in which laboratory it has been developed. So likewise, I'm not going to give boring. So definitely this complete 10 days, which is not going to be boring for you. It is going to be completely interactive, completely hands-on, complete fun. Okay, so I hope you are really excited to see this. Okay, so yeah, so it is an overview, which is Guido van Rossum, so was the founder of Python programming, and which was discovered on the year of 1990. And while talking about the purpose, I'm not going to go very in depth on theoretical, so I really don't want to do that. So that's why I'm just given very little more points. So why? So there is a question, why we are going for the Python programming. So before that, we have lot of groups where we have lot of Python programming, right? So sorry, where we have lot of programming languages like C, C++, and etc. Why we are going for the Python programming, guys? Whenever you used to write a Python program, it will be like English words. For an example, if you want to check some condition, so you can use directly if this, then that. So likewise, it will be very easy to write. That is the first point. And second point, libraries, guys. I think you guys all know, whenever you used to write C programming, you used to include that library, right? That ash include stdio.h, conio.h. I hope you all remember those stuffs. So if you remember that, you just post, I remember Sanjay in the live chat. Okay, so Priya, I had Pentium processor, no problem. I give some guidance. Okay, so we just try to work on that. Okay, yeah. So we have that kind of library inclusion, right? So likewise, the main advantage on the Python programming is you can use lot of library, guys. We have lot of libraries. So lot of library in the sense, if you want to do some function. So for an example, you want to read an Excel sheet, you want to read an image. You need to recognize what is this. So for an example, if I'm showing this to you, what you will say? This is a water bottle. And if I'm showing this to you, what you will say? This is a mobile phone. So like whatever the stuffs which you really want, so whatever the thing you need to do, that can be done with the help of the libraries, okay? So in the Python, we have lot of libraries. You no need to you no need to write the complete programming by you. Instead of that, you can use simply the algorithms to do some functionality. That is the major advantage of Python. And application. So while talking about the application, I think you guys have heard the term called data science. Okay, lot of people are remember. Wonderful. Okay, so here while talking about the data science, so it is about like artificial intelligence, like machine learning, data acquisition, data cleaning, data transformation, and then machine learning, and then deep learning. So likewise, we can use whatever the stuffs which you really want on the field of artificial intelligence with the help of Python programming. Because nowadays, guys, there are a lot of hardwares out there where which will be very helpful for you to deploy artificial intelligence by yourself. I think you all know NVIDIA. So how you know about NVIDIA, guys? Okay, if you know the answers, you just to share your answers in the live chat. Okay, Shubham, can you name some library? Yes, of course. OpenCV. Okay, so the CV2 library, which will be helpful for handling an images, and Immutals library. So Immutals library will be helpful for image changing, like image resizing and such stuffs. And then URL lib library, which will be helpful for accessing the URL. So if you want to post email, or if you want to get some data from the cloud, so email. So for that you can use URL lib library. And then we have Keras, TensorFlow library, and here we have DLib, and here we have a lot of things, guys. There are a lot of things on that, so where you can use it for. So definitely we'll explore later as days passing by. Yes, we are getting the response. Yes, sir. NVIDIA graphics, exactly. NVIDIA graphics card. Yes, the people who really love to play games on their laptops or in their PCs, they used to install, they used to buy it with the graphics card, right? So that on that there is AMD and then NVIDIA as well. But NVIDIA now gone to the next level, where they are providing a lot of artificial intelligence based solutions, where you can able to you can able to recognize this. You can able to design your own autonomous car like a Tesla, right? So with the help of that NVIDIA development boards, so that is more popular. So likewise, there are a lot of development boards now. These are all kind of development boards which is supporting like Python programming, which is supporting going to be that. So you can write a Python programming in that hardware. Okay, so that is really cool, right? So you can develop artificial intelligence, you can deploy artificial intelligence by using the kind of development boards like NVIDIA, Raspberry Pi, Google Coral, or what to say, there are a pink FPGA. So there are a lot of boards which is supporting a Python programming, so that you can able to do whatever you want by using a Python programming, guys. So that is the main advantage. And then of course, so other than that, there are a lot of other applications, so like creating applications or creating a websites. So those kind of application which is also be there in the application, guys, application of Python programming. Okay, yeah. So before before going on to the practical, are you guys excited for the hands-on? Because so I think it will be very new for you, because some people used to in a lot of sessions it is going to be completely theoretical. Other than that, the first within a 15 minutes itself, I really want to bring you guys into the practical sessions. Are you guys excited? So if you are excited, you just post "I'm excited" Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. Are you guys excited? So if you are guys are excited, you just post "I'm excited Sanjay," excited Sanjay in your live chat, guys. And another main thing, as Manushi told, there will be a Q&A session, guys. Definitely, once the session is completed, there will be, I'm going to put one Q&A session there. If you really want to ask some question, you can ask your questions on the Q&A session separately. So in this today, each and every day there will be a Q&A, guys. Okay, so whatever the questions which you have, you can ask your questions on the Q&As. Okay, yeah. So so there are a lot of response. Excited, thank you so much, Rajeshwari, for posting super excited. Okay, so wonderful. I'm excited, Sanjay. So that is what the exact term I have asked it to you, which was by Piyush. Thank you so much for posting like this. Okay, so yeah, so before going on to that, I hope you guys all having your notebooks with you. So I'm going to list down some of the notebooks where you are going to use it for writing a Python program. So I hope you all with me. So if you having your notebooks, please take your notebooks and please note it down. Okay, so because Python it is not only run by only one idea. There are a lot of notebooks where you can able to write a Python program. Now I'm going to list down some of the Python notebooks. Okay, so if you have a notebooks, please note it down, guys. Okay, so this is also one of the hands-on, so where you can also note it in your laptop, or you can also download it with me, you can also install it with me. So complete hands-on experience, definitely you will feel it. Okay, so first one, what is the ideally is, you just type Python IDLE. So if you have your notebooks, please note it down, guys. Okay, so I've just typed Python IDLE. So download Python. This is from official website. So Python IDLE. So this is the first one. So you just put one Python IDLE, and you can use Jupyter notebook. Okay, so this was the second notebook which I would like to show to you. So Jupyter notebook, so which can be installed from Anaconda also. So first one, you just put Python IDLE, and second one Anaconda with Jupyter notebook, and you can also use Spider notebook. Okay, this is the third one. Okay, so Anaconda with Spider notebook. Give me a sec. Okay, I think you guys are having noting down. Okay, so first of all, Python ideally. Second notebook which was Anaconda Navigator with Jupyter notebook, and third one which was Anaconda Navigator with Spider notebook, and fourth one which is Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Okay, this was the fourth notebook which I would like to show to you. Okay, and fifth one which is Google Colab. Okay, throughout the complete session we are going to use this online notebooks, guys, because even though you are using Windows 7 PC or something like that, you can use Google Colab. So that's why I'm going to suggest it for you. That is a Google Colab. And fifth one, oh sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 sixth one, which was PyCharm. It is a really cool notebook, but I really love this. But if you are having very less end PC, don't install it, because definitely if you have installed it, you can't see your laptop moving, because definitely it is going to be completely frozen. So that's why I'm telling you, if you have a good PC like nearly like i3 or i5 or i3 processor with 8 GB RAM or 12 GB RAM with a SSD, you can please install it. Otherwise, don't install it. Okay, so these are all the 5 popular notebooks, guys, and Autumn also there. Yes, exactly. So if you guys have noted, you just post I noted Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Unknown Sakas is here. Wonderful, Unknown Sakas. Thank you so much. Good to meet you again. Okay, so this one is download Python. Okay, for Mac also you can download and install, guys, no problem. Okay, so Python ideally, so I'm just listing out down. So what is the first thing? Python ideally, and second one is Anaconda Navigator with a Jupyter notebook. Instead of using install directly, you can use Anaconda Navigator with Jupyter notebook. And the third one, Anaconda Navigator with Spider notebook. And fourth one, Visual Studio Code. And fifth one, Google Colab. And sixth one, which is a PyCharm, guys. Okay, so these are all most popular notebooks. So you can use any notebook. Now we are going to discuss about 2 main notebooks. I'm going to show like a hands-on demo. Okay, so like only for ideally, and then we are going for Google Colab. Okay, thank you so much, Shanu, Veer, and Fareen, and Vishal Abhinav. Thank you so much for showing your presence again to this event, guys. Thank you so much, Shweta and Piyush, Kalyani, Bejangam, Dronem, Sheghina. Thank you so much, guys. Lot of people are noted that. Tejaswini, Sajid, and Srikavya, Komal. Thank you so much, guys. Lot of people are noted it. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so now in this today's session, guys, it is about completely basics. On that, even though it is a basic, I'm going to give some of the tips. I hope you really love this tips, because it is not been it is not been given in any lecture as well, because this was given by my experience. Okay, I'm going to give some of the tips. Tip number 1: always don't go for very Python's latest version. Why I'm telling this is, if you are going for Python's latest, for example, you are seeing this Python official website where the latest version is Python 3.10.0. Don't go for very latest version each and every time, because why I'm telling that is, as I've already told you, under the Python you have lot of libraries. You are going to use lot of libraries. So it does not mean that every library which is going to support this specific version, this very latest version. Okay, so it may take time to make every library to be compatible with the latest version of Python. So that's why I'm telling you, the first step was, don't go for the latest version of Python every time. Instead, please choose some of the stable versions. Okay, there is Python 2 and Python 3. Don't use Python 2. Okay, it is going to be expired. Okay, so don't use Python 2. Other than that, 3 itself, there we have lot of versions. 3.7, 3.6, 3.7. So there are a lot of versions are there. So out of that also, don't go for this Python 3.10.0. Okay, because you just look for any stable version. Okay, please use the stable version. That is the first note. Okay, I hope you all with me, guys. Okay, the first one which was Python, where you don't go for very latest version. Okay, that's the first one. I hope you really you all are listening to me. Okay, and then yeah, so that is the main tips I really want to say to you guys. Okay, so I hope you really like this. As each and everything which is going to be passed by, I'm going to give each and every tips to you. Okay, I hope you really love this. Okay, yeah, so here what we are going to do is, we are going to choose one stable version. I think some of the people may know that what is the version I'm going to choose. Yes, that is Python 3.7.8. Okay, what I just typed, guys, I just typed python.org/downloads. If you really want that, I'll give the link in the live chats. Okay, python.org/downloads. Okay, this is the URL. You just go into it and look for Python 3.7. So you just scroll down to the downloads. Don't click this Python 3.9 10.0. Instead, scroll down and click this Python 3.7.8, guys. Okay, I hope you can able to follow me, guys. If you can able to follow me, you just please post I'm with you, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, this is the version. It's Python 3.7.8. so I've clicked that, so it is opened in the another tab. So on the tab, you just scroll down, and you just look for Windows x86 executable installer. Okay, don't download zip file, otherwise you just want to extract it and such kind of thing we need to do. Except you just please directly go for Windows x86-64 executable installer. Okay, you just click this, guys. I think you can able to download this, guys. Okay, I think you can able to see this. Gautamama, exactly 3.7.8, your favorite, Sanjay. Yes, because I've tested every libraries on that 3.7.8. That's why I'm always suggesting that 3.7.8. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, yeah. So okay, so you just download it, guys, and you just start installing. You just click that, and once you have clicked that, you just don't forget to check that add system to the environment. Because why it is showing like this for me, because I've already installed it, so that's why it is like showing like this. Okay, you just simply click that add path 3.7 path, something will be there. You just tick that and next install. Okay, so that is the flow. If you have completed your installation, because I'm not going to do this now, guys, because as I've already installed it now. So what you are going to do is you are going to install it again. Okay, so if you guys have completed your installation, you just post I did, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so I'm just going to cancel it now. So if you have completed, and in your search, if you are typing ideally, you should see this ideally Python 3.764-bit. If you got this up to now, you just post IGT Sanjay. I got this, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, IDLE Python 3.764-bit. Okay, so if you guys got this, you just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, some people will suggest you to use Google Colab, so that will be fine. But other than that, I really want to give a basic notebook which you really need to master, because on the deep learning kind of application, Python 3.7, this ideally with the command prompt will be great. It won't consume that much computational power. So that's why I really love this. So that's why even though you are using any different notebook, please try to install it, because I'm going to give a lot of tips to you on this. Okay. Sai Asharadi, I completed it 40 days back. Wonderful. Thank you so much for that funny answer. Yes, that you have already attended my artificial intelligence masterclass. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. It's really a great that you have already installed Python IGT Sanjay. Wonderful, guys. Thank you so much for installing that. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to explore this Python 3.764-bit, guys. Okay, once you have installed it, guys, the people who are already using different version, that will be fine. But if you are going for any library, definitely it may give some error. So that's why I'm just suggesting to go for 3.7.8. So if you are typing ideally, you just click that, guys, ideally. Okay, so this window is called as shell window. Okay, so shell window in the sense, this shell window will be helpful for displaying the output. That is the first point. And second point, where it will be helpful for running single lines of command. And number third point, if you want to check out whether the library which has been imported or not. So like kind of testing can be done by using this ideally as well. So I hope you guys got this. So this is the shell window. For an example, I'm going to show something to you. So for an example, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6, enter. C is equal to A plus B, and print of C, enter. So you should get this 11. This is the shell window, guys, where you can able to run a single lines of command. Okay, for an example, if you want to write multiple lines of program, what you can do is you just click file and new file. So this is the notebook here. You can able to write multiple lines of program. So A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6, C is equal to A plus B, and a print of C. This is just a print statement, guys. So once you have written the code, you just want to press Ctrl S or go for file and then save. This extension which is going to be .py, guys, Okay, Karthikeyan, Sanjay, I'm installed 2.7. Please don't use that. Try to go with the latest version, or else please use the online notebook, Google Colab. Okay, so here what is the name is demo. Okay, I'm just going to name it like demo, and the extension which is going to be .py. So save. I've saved it. So Sanjay, how to run this? It's simple. Go to run and run module. Okay, it's shown the output 11. So for an example, yeah, so this is the thing. So if you are changing a number 100, so run module, save. So it got 105. Guys, did you guys got this? So if you are clear up to now, you just post I'm clear Sanjay in your live chat, because some people are already know about the basic stuffs, but I really wanted to teach it from the scratch. So that's why please don't rush up and don't leave the session as well, because you may get some of the new information from the session as well. Okay, even though you know something. Okay, so what is the latest version? That is 3.10.0 that we have seen on the site. So now we are using Python 3.7.8. Okay, Sajta asking to download. Okay, so download link. I'll give the link in the live chat. Okay, you just click the link and you just click executable installer. Guys, if you guys got this, or if you are clear up to now, you just post I'm clear up to now. I really want each and every people want to do the hands-on. Okay, if you are clear with now, you just post I'm super clear Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, lot of people Vasavi posted I'm clear Sanjay, thank you so much for mentioning the name, and Rishabh also mentioned thank you so much, and Shaik, thank you so much, and Hollywood movie clips, thank you so much, thank you so much guys. Okay, so now we got this output like this. So 105, so it is a normal notebook. Okay, so I think you guys are clear. Okay, some people asked to repeat please. Okay, I'm repeating for you guys. What I just typed was, I just gone into python.org/downloads, and once you have gone it, so you just want to click, just scroll down and you just choose Python 3.7.8, and once it has been selected, it is going to open this like this. So on that, you're just going to click executable installer, so the file will be downloaded, and you just want to finish the installation. Once it is finished, then you just type ideally in your search box, and you just click that ideally, so that you can get the shell window. In the shell window, you can type whatever the single line command is, and in the notebook, so you can click simply file and then new file. So in here you can write multiple lines of program. So if you want to run this, you just click the run and then run module, so that you can run your program and you can see the output in the shell window. So this is what you have explored clear. Okay, the people who didn't understand before, if you understood up to now, you just post I'm clear now Sanjay in your live chat. Pallavi, thank you so much for being part of this event today also. Thank you so much for your supports guys. I feel really happy. Thank you so much guys. Okay, so now are you guys ready to work on a library? If you are ready to work on a library, you just post I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, Sabita, please try to go a little bit slow. Yes, definitely I'll go slow. Okay, up to now I think you guys are clear. So now what we am going to show it now is I'm going to show how to access the Python from the command window, and how to install a library, what all the basic libraries, some of the things which we are going to explore now. So if you are ready for it, you just post I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, are you guys ready for this? If you are ready, you just post I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so clear now. Thank you so much Shubham for posting I'm clear now. Okay, wonderful. Ready, thank you so much Darshan, thank you so much for posting ready. Okay, wonderful guys. Okay, now what we are going to do is, so we are going to access the command window, Python from the command window. Why I want to show it to you guys, because if you want to install a library, so that library can be installed via command window. So for that we need to configure some of the environmental variables. So that's why I'm going to show you how to configure the environmental variables. I think you guys are ready. Thank you so much. Okay, some people are not ready. Okay, so try to go with me guys. Try to come with me. Okay, a lot of people are ready. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show how to install how to configure the Python to be accessible from the command window. It's simple. So I hope you all following me. First of all, observe or something, you just note it down or something and then follow me. Okay, so what I'm first of all what we just need to do is, you just want to identify the root directory of your Python. Okay, so root directory means where your Python lies. Okay, so that is the root directory where you just want to find out. Okay, so ideally, okay, ideally 3.764 bit. Okay, so you just click open file location. Okay, and another main thing, guys. So before going for the next part, I would like to give some introduction about another stuffs which we really want to show it to you, which was a Python internship. I really want to show it to you guys, where this is the internship program, because some people can't able to come with me, and some people feeling something difficult, and some people may miss the session. So for those people, and for a lot of bonus lectures and some of the additional projects which I am about to give on the internship program, if you really want that, you can also join with me on the internship program, guys. So this is the Python internship program. So recorded video lectures, which is value of 400 rupees. So source code, which is in the value of 400 rupees, which is based on application, I'm telling, and materials, presentations, and then mind map, which you are seeing now. So that is value of 100, assignment and then support, and 5 plus Python based projects, like include some of the games. So that kind of value, which I'm also going to give, and internship e-certificate. So now you guys are attending free webinar, guys. The people who registered for the internship, that people will get the internship e-certificate, where you are going to get the which is in the value of total value in the price of 1500, which is totally worth of 1500, where we are going to give 750. Is it 750? No, we are going to give additional bonus as well. So it is actually one course price, the Python internship, which is going to cost you 750. But as I'm already told you before itself, some surprising offer which is waiting for you. I'm going to give 2 courses for you guys. What is that? That is going to be called as Python CV Duo. So what is this Python CV Duo? So I'm going to give computer vision course, which is absolutely free for you. The people who already purchased the Python internship, who already registered for the Python internship, that people are going to get computer vision crash course as well. Okay, the 2 courses. So if you are considering these 2 values now, so recorded value, so which is like recorded video lectures, in the sense you no need, you can also attend the live session, as well as you can also attend you can also attend the recorded session, which is already present in a certain portal. So that is a like 2-in-1 benefit. And then source code based on the application, and materials, and then PowerPoint, and then mind map, and assignment, and then supports, and 15 plus Python, and then CV projects, and 2 internship e-certificate, which is in the total value of 4300, which offer price, which you can able to get this 2 courses at the price of 499. But the people who are going to stay till the end, or the people who are present till now, those people are going to get this 2 courses at the price of only 499, guys. Okay, so this is also a limited time offer, where it is a festive day. So coming Thursday, it is a festive, Hindu festive, which is going to be there, Navratri. So that's why we are providing this course offer. So this is the Python internship program. The people who are all going to register now, that people are going to get 2 courses at the price of 499. One is Python courses, as well as the computer vision courses, both the courses at the price of 499 rupees. Okay, so I've given the link in the live chat, and I also given the link in the description box. If you really want that, you can click the link and register for it to enroll to get the Python courses, as well as the computer vision course, which is going to be absolutely free for you, and the price of 499. Okay, so this is the less price ever, guys. If you really want that, you can click the link and register for this internship. Buy one and get one free. You are going to purchase for Python BootCamp, so you're going to get the computer vision course free. Okay, so yeah, this is 499, guys. Okay, if you want to show the price, if you want to see the price. Okay, so I'm just going to hide my face now. So this is 499. Okay, today's launch offer price, which is 499. Okay, total value, which is 4300. So offer normally usual price, which is going to be 1499, but I'm going to give this 2 courses at the price of 499 rupees. If you really want that, you just click the link and register for it. Only for the people who need a source code, who need a materials, because there is a difference, guys. If you are registering for webinar, so a normal this YouTube webinar, you are not going to get the source code, you are not going to get the materials like PowerPoint, mind maps, and such stuffs. But if you are going to register for the internship, you are going to get this recorded video lectures and source code. So, and another main thing I wish to share with you, each and every day the recorded session will be updated. So today's session, tomorrow in the portal it will be updated. Okay, tomorrow's session it will be uploaded onto the portal on day after tomorrow. So likewise, each and every day the session will be uploaded onto the portal, guys. Okay, so now there will be now it will be empty, but as days passing by, you are going to get each and every day, you are going to get 1 day of lecture. okay, on that specific day. I hope you really love this. So I've given the link in the live chat. I've given that. So I've given that in the I've given the link in the live chat or in the description box if you really want this 2 course. So buy one and you are going to get another course for free. And guys, and another more surprise which is really waiting for you. If you really want to know about it, please stay till the end. So let us come to the technical session again. So what I'm going to do is, guys, we are going for Python, right? So we need to configure or we need to access the Python from the command window. So how to do that? It's simple. First of all, type ideally in your command window, search box. So and then click open file location. Now what we are going to do is we are going to find out where our Python is being installed, because some people have known about it, some people may not know where they have installed the Python. So that's why I would like to show like how to find out the directory. Okay, so now what we are going to do is Python ideally 3.7 bit. You are just going to click this. Okay, you are going to get Python 3.7.8 shell window. So what you are going to do is you are going to type open file location. Okay, so you just type ideally and click open file location. So it will open a certain directory. Again right click, again open file location. So it will bring you to the code directory of Python, guys, where you have installed the Python. Okay, so I think you guys got this, and I think you guys can able to follow me. So you are typing IDLE. Okay, so you are typing ideally and click open file location. Okay, again right click ideally and again click open file location. So then you will be in the directory like this. Okay, this is the root directory of my Python. So Python 3.7 which we have installed, right? So this is the Python which we have installed now. Okay, the root directory of my Python. Now we need to configure this directory where my Python lies, where my pip lies, which means Python interpreter, where you can use it for installing a library. Okay, so that is those stuffs, you know. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to install that library. So how to configure that in environmental variables. So such stuffs I'm going to show it to you. So for that, what you are going to do is just type environment variables. Edit the system environmental variables. Okay, so you just type edit the system environment, this one. So edit the system environmental variables. I think you can also follow you all following me, guys. If you all following me, you just post I'm with you Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so I really don't know whether you are doing it with me or not. Okay, so guys, you just do it now. Okay, environment, you just typing the environment, you just go into edit the system environmental variables. Okay, so that you will get this pane. So system properties, under the advanced option, so here there is a button called environmental variables. Okay, you just click this. Okay, I think you can able to get this, guys. Okay, now what you are going to do is you are going to copy this directory. So copy the code directory C Python 3.7. So what you are going to do is you just go for path here or in the system environmental variables. So you just go to the path here. So before that, I would like to delete the previous things which I have done before. Okay, so you will get this edit environmental variables. Okay, so once you have got this, what you are going to click is you are going to click new and you are going to paste the directory. So this is the code directory. So C Python 3.7. So it may be different for you guys. So just please try to follow me. Okay, C Python 3.7 and click move up. So I'm going to give first priority to my Python 3.7. So you may ask, what is the purpose? The first purpose, you can access the Python from your command window. The second purpose, you can use multiple Python version, Python 3.5, Python 3. For an example, in my laptop, I have Python like Python 3.5, 3.6, 3.9, 3.7, and then yeah, so these are all the Python version which I'm using. I used to shift every Python usually. So that's why you can shift that. So you can move up the Python 3.7 and move down that Python 3.9. So whenever you are typing Python in the command window, it will open Python 3.7, like giving a priority to the Python which you really want. Okay, so Python 3.7 which I have configured now. Now it's time to configure the pip. So what is mean by pip is Python interpreter, which will be helping you to which will be helpful for installing a library, guys. Okay, if you want, I have already discussed like OpenCV library or any library which you really want, you need to install a library via the command window via the pip Python interpreter. Okay, so that what we are going to do is we are going to configure that pip. Where the pip is, actually you just want to go into the scripts folder. So if you are typing P here, the pip is here, right? So you just copy this directory now. So C Python 3.7 scripts. Now again go into the environmental variables, again click new button, again paste the directory, press enter and move up. So you should have like this, guys. This directory which will be helping you to what to say, access the Python from the command window and see Python 3.7 scripts. So this directory will be helpful for installing a library from the command window. Okay, so I think you guys can able to get this. So I think you can able to understand this, guys. I really want every people want to do this, guys. If you really love this and if you really got this, you just post I got this, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so Python 3.7, so see Python 3.7 and second directory is Python 3.7 scripts. Okay, Gautam Verma, thank you so much for posting. Enjoying, Sanjay bro, thank you so much, bro. Okay, so here I have Python 3.7, this directory for accessing the Python from the command window, and C Python 7 scripts, which is directory for installing a library from the command window. So this is what the guys. Okay, once you have configured it, you just click OK, OK, OK. So that's it, guys. Okay, so I think you guys got this, and if you want to check it out, so whether I have configured that environmental variables properly or not, how to check it out? It's simple. You just type cmd here, command prompt, and open your command prompt, and your command prompt you just type Python, enter. You should see this output, guys, Python 3.7.8. Guys, if you guys can able to see this, you just post I did it, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, Shravya have requested to repeat the flow again. Okay, I'll repeat the flow again. So before that, the people who got this up to now, you just post I did it, Sanjay, in your live chat. So opening a command prompt, and if you are typing Python and then enter, then you should get this Python 3.7.8. If you guys got this, or if you did this up to now, you just post I did this, Sanjay, in your live chat. For the other people who really want me to explain it again, so I'm just explaining it again for the other people. Until then, please, for other people, please listen to me, the people who can't able to understand. So why we are doing this purpose is, we are going to install a library, so that we need to configure that environmental variables. So that's why the first purpose, and second purpose, you are going to access the Python from the command window, and wherever you are using multiple versions of Python, you are going to shift that version of Python. So that's why these are the purpose why we are using this, why we are configuring this environmental variable. So now first of all, what you just want to do is, you just want to type IDLE in the search box and click open file location, and again right click IDLE, again open file location. So you will be in the root directory. So you just want to copy this directory path, okay, this path, and again in here you just want to type environmental, and you edit the environmental variables. I just typed env, so environmental variables. So in the environmental variables, so here we have the option called environmental variables button. You just click that button and go into the path, and what you just want to do is, you just click the new, and then you just want to paste the directory and enter. So here we have Python 3.7, and move up until it has been the first location, and you are going into the scripts folder. You are going to copy the directory, scripts directory, again come into the environmental variables, click new and paste it, enter. Move up. Okay, that I think it may be funny for you, don't laugh. Okay, 3.7 and then 3.7 class scripts. Okay, so this is what we have did. So 3.7 and then 3.7 class scripts. So this is the two directory, we have pasted it here. Click OK, close. That's it, guys. Now to check it out, you just simply cmd, type cmd, and in the command prompt you just type Python. If you have typed a Python, you should get this shell window like this. Okay, so it's same as like you can write your simple program like this. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 5, C is equal to A plus B, print of C. Okay, same stuffs, guys, which you have seen before. So the shell window, so where this is equal to this command window, guys, this is the shell window on your Python ideally, but this is the shell window in your command prompt. That is the difference. Okay, not a difference, it is same, right? I think you can able to understand me, guys. I think you guys all enjoying my session. If you all enjoying your session, you just post I'm enjoying, Sanjay, in a live chat. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, I'm going to show you how to install the libraries, guys. I think you guys are excited to listen to it. So if you are excited, you just post I'm excited, Sanjay, in the live chat. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show how to install a library. So for that, simply what you just do is don't install it from here, because you may get permission error. So that's why to fix out the error, guys, throughout the session you will learn the error also. So based on the error also you're going to learn. Santosh, if it is in a Mac, don't worry about it. Directly you try to access it from there. Okay, try to access it from the terminal. Okay, you just check it out. Okay, so now you just open your command window, not as like a normal command window, run as an administrator, guys, so that whenever you are trying to install some of the library, you should not get error like permission error. Okay, so that's why you just open it with the administrator permission. Okay, so run as an administrator, click yes. So open your command prompt as an administrator. Okay, sorry guys, give me a sec, I'll have some waters. I'm really sorry for that, I can't able to control it, guys, sorry. Okay, give me a sec. Thank you, guys. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to install a library. So I hope you all ready for it. Now, what is the command to install a library, Sanjay? Now, don't worry about the what is the library, don't confuse yourself, because I'm with you to guide out the complete throughout the day of the session. So don't worry about it, but you are going to learn simply what is that, how to install a library. So that's what you are going to see. Other than that, don't confuse yourself about the library. Now, I'm going to show you how to install a library. The simply command is pip Python interpreter, pip space install space the library name. So for an example, if you want to install immutals library, which will be helpful for handling resizing and images, so it's simple, library name immutals, enter, pip space install space immutals. That I have already installed. Now I got requirement already satisfied. For the people, you guys, it will install, it will take some 10 seconds or 20 seconds of time, and it will be completed the installation. If you have completed your installation, you just post I completed Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay guys, I think you can able to follow me. So pip space install space immutals, so that is the first command which I have did here. Now this is the command to install a library, guys. If you want to check it out whether you have installed the you have installed the library or not, so you can simply open the another command prompt. So on this command prompt, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type Python, enter. Now you can check it out. So how to import a library. So first command, we have learned how to install a library by using the command called pip space install space any library name. So pip space numpy, pip space ip, pip space tensorflow, pip space opencv-python. So this is going to be command. Okay, but in the command window, now I'm going to check it out. So for checking out, so you are going to type Python and enter. So now you will be in the shell window. You can also test it in here, or you can also check it in your ideally shell. So if you want to import the library, so how to import that? It's simple, import space the library name. So on your C programming, you used to write #include studio.h, #include conian.h, right? So instead of that, you can import by using the command called import space the library name, import immutals. That is what we have did, guys. I think you can able to got this. Okay, now you are going to learn how to uninstall a library. Okay, now you have learned how to install a library, how to uninstall it. It's also very simple, pip space uninstall space the library name. Okay, so proceed y/n, so y and then enter. Successfully uninstalled immutals. Now let us check it out again. So import immutals. Okay, so it is, I think it is executing the previous statement. Okay, what is the error we got, guys? Module not found error, no module named immutals, which means we have not installed a library. That's why it is, we have already uninstalled it. So that is the second command which you have learned. So now I'm going to give another thing, how to install a library based on its version. It's also simple. So pip space install space immutals double equals to the version number 0.5.4. Okay, it will be installed now. So here, if you are checking out import immutals, it is imported now, so there is no error now. So it has been imported now. Now if you want to check out the library version, it's also simple. So first of all, you need to import it, and then you just type the library name dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore and then enter. So you got 0.5.4. Guys, did you enjoy this part? Okay, if you really understood this part, first of all, how to install a library, pip space install space the library name. Don't worry about the immutals now. Okay, I'm just teaching how to install a library. Don't worry about the immutals. Don't worry about the immutals. Don't worry about the immutals. Okay. Okay. So pip space install space immutals. Okay. Pip space install space the command the library name. Okay, to install a library. Pip space install space the library name to install a library. How to uninstall it? Pip space uninstall space the library name, that is pip uninstall immutals, the library name. And if you want to install the library based on the version, pip space install space the library name double equals to the version number. So this is the three major main very important tips for you. So that is the three things which you have learned from this administrator command window. In here, how to import a library. It's simple. Import the library name. So that is the fourth point which you have learned now. And if you want to check out which version you are using, which version of library you are using. So for that, you just want to use the library name dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. Okay. So if you are getting CV2 is not found, it's simple. So you just type install pip space install space OpenCV - Python. Okay, so it will be very helpful for to fix you the error. Thank you so much, Anomalous. It really shows that you are following me. You are doing it with me. That's why you got that error, I think. Okay, so it's really wonderful. Thank you so much for following me. Okay, you can solve that error by using pips install OpenCV - Python and try to install pip install immutals. Okay, so I think you guys have got clear idea about this basic stuffs, guys. Did you enjoy it up to now? Okay, so what are the steps we have learned? We have installed a Python and we have executed a single line command in the shell window, and we have executed multiple lines of command in the Python ideally notebook, and we have done the same basic arithmetic operations, and we have configured the Python to be accessible from the command window via environmental variables, and we have learned to install a library. We learned to uninstall a library. We learned to install a library based on its version. We learned to import a library. We learned about how to check the library's version. So these are all the stuffs which we have learned up to now. Okay, so did you guys love this? If you love this, you just post "I really love this" Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so yes, so and another main thing, guys, the Google collab, I think it is really, time is really running out, so definitely on tomorrow's session we'll learn about the Google collab. Other than that, as I've already told you, there is another shocking surprise. This is a one shocking surprise which we have provided one course. The people who already purchased 499 course, that people are going to get computer vision course is also absolutely free at the price of 499. So this is what we have given. So the link which is also given in the live chat. So this is what we have given here, right? But other than that, I'm going to I'm going to release another the huge offer, which is nothing but Navratri offer, which we used to celebrate in India. Okay, so based on that Navratri offer, I'm about to announce another huge offer for you. Are you all struggling to learn artificial intelligence, guys? Because I'm the instructor on this artificial intelligence every program. So it is also completely based on the application based learning, which it is going to solve the problem which we have discussed before. So here we have the solutions, guys, which is based on the application based learning. The people who already are having a eagerness to become a data scientist or data analyst, machine learning engineer or deep learning engineer, computer vision engineer, the people who already in the in the eagerness to learn artificial intelligence in this way of, so up to now we have learned in some other way like application based learning and interaction and such stuffs. Same as like we are also we also framed this artificial intelligence program. So are you guys excited to know what is this? Only for the new people, because some people may already know about it. Other than that, if you are really excited to see what is this AI program, so if you are excited, you just post I'm excited Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so what is the thing is, we are about to give artificial intelligence ultimate bundle. So what is this artificial intelligence ultimate bundle? So for the artificial intelligence, the first thing which you need to master the skill like data analytics. where you can able to get the job roles on data analyst, business analyst, and etc. So the agenda which is going to cover like Excel or databases, business intelligence tool like Power BI, Tableau, and then machine learning, and then some of the statistics and Power Query. So likewise, the complete data analytics course, which is about 30 days of internship program, which we have given us in this 30 days of course. This is a data analytics 30 days course. Okay, so this is one course, guys. 30 days data analytics course. Okay, and data analytics course of 30 days. And second course, which is about artificial intelligence masterclass. If you really want to get the complete idea about artificial intelligence, so what is AI, what is computer vision, what is machine learning, what is deep learning, what is natural language processing, how can I run artificial intelligence from the cloud, how can I deploy artificial intelligence application in the hardware, how to create a chatbot. So this 8 points, so based on the same application based learning, we are providing the second course, which is artificial intelligence 30 days of course. Okay, artificial intelligence masterclass bundle. This is the second course. And third course, machine learning masterclass, which is already going on. This is also a 30 days challenge on based on application based learning, which is a little bit in depth of the machine learning, where 30 days complete based on algorithm. So linear regression, one project. So you're going to learn an algorithm by developing as a project. This is what this machine learning 30 days course. Okay, so this is the third course. And fourth course, Python 10 days bootcamp, which we are the people who already registered for 499 rupees. So they are already going to get by computer vision also as well, right? Same as like the computer vision. So this 5 courses, guys: data analytics, that is the third day, the data analytics course, artificial intelligence course, machine learning course, Python, and then computer vision. So this 5 ultimate bundle, this is known as artificial intelligence ultimate bundle, where you will master all the skills about artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, AI cloud, AI hardware, chatbots, and then basic Python programming to get into it. So these 5 masterclass bundle, which we are going to give it, guys. So where it is also total cost value of 12,000, the access 5 courses, video lectures. It is really a huge courses and 75 projects. So once you have completed this 5 courses, you are going to get 75 projects in your hand, and 110 plus source codes and technical materials, and then bonus task assignment and forum telegram discussion group, 5 internship certificates like artificial intelligence. You will get machine learning certificate, data analytics certificate, Python certificate, computer vision certificate. Likewise, you're going to get 5 internship certificate. The total value, which is about nearly 1,19,500 rupees, which we are the original offer price, which is about 4,999, guys. Okay, I think some people may think that it is huge, but it is a valid price. But the people who are all present here, for that people, we are giving another more offer, the today's launch offer price, which is about 1,299, guys. Okay, so this is the 1,299 course or 1,299 link, where you can able to get this 5 courses at the price of 1,299, guys. Okay, so did you love this, guys? So give me a sec. I'll give you the link. I'll give the registration link in the live chat if you really want to register for it. Okay. Guys, if you really love this artificial intelligence bundle, if you are really struggling on to learn artificial intelligence, and if you really want into the better way, so better way in the sense you want to learn in a different way based on application based learning, so you can register for this 5-in-1 AI bundle at the price of 1,299, guys. Okay, so if you really want that, I can give you the link, AI ultimate bundle. And also, guys, people who already registered, the people who already registered the 2 courses at the price of 499, that people will get the updation link, so upgradation link. The people who already paid 499 price, so you can also upgrade your duo combo. So the people who already registered for duo combo like Python and then computer vision, those people can able to get this 1,299 upgradation link if you really want that. So only for the people who already registered for it. But if you people need a complete bundle or complete package, you just go for this 1,299 rupees, which is really worth of 1,19,500. If you really want that, you can click the link which is given in the description below, or if it is given in the live chat, so you can register for this, guys. Okay, so I've given the link in the live chat. So this is Python ultimate AI ultimate bundle, guys. Okay, I'll give the link again now. So AI ultimate internship. Okay, this is Navratri special, guys. It is also going to end on, I think, I think it is going to be end on Friday. Okay, if you really want that, you just go through the agenda as well. So you just click the link. Don't pay for it now. You just scroll down the agenda, and if you are really feeling that agenda is really worthy, then you just start paying for it. Because if you are once going through the agenda of that paying page, because once you have clicked that link, it will be redirect you into this page, right? Give me a sec. Okay, so this is the bundle, right? So this is the bundle which you got, right? So if you are scrolling out zone, in the Python, what you will learn, and in the computer vision, what you will learn, and in the artificial intelligence, what you will learn, in the what machine learning, what you will learn, in the data analytics, what you will learn. So likewise, you will get this complete, what to say, five in the 5 courses, what you are going to learn. So such stuffs you are going to get it from here. Okay, so A.I ultimate internship program, I've pinned in the live chat also. So once you have registered for it, you will get the login access portal for this one. So learn.pantechsolutions.net. So still now the Python and then OpenCV will be empty. Okay, because it will be updated on each and every day as days passing by. So other courses like this, AI masterclass and machine learning masterclass, which is present here, and data analytics masterclass. This is the 3 courses, guys. So this is the 3 courses which you are going to get. AI masterclass like introduction to AI, installing a Python, introduction to computer vision, and moving object detection. So everything which is based on a project. You can see the agenda here. So once you have clicked that, you can see the video lectures, and you can get the source codes, materials like a PPT, mind map, data sets, trained model files. Likewise, you're going to get complete thing as like a bundle. So AI masterclass, machine learning masterclass, data analytics. Additionally, you are going to have Python and then computer vision, which is going to be uploaded on from the tomorrow session. Okay, so these are the things, guys. I've given a link in the live chat. Yes, while talking about the validity, if you are subscribing for only one course, which is we have given like a Python or computer vision for 499, you will get only 2 months validity. But if you are going for this packages, okay, so I'm telling about this, guys. So previously you have this duo, right? So Python and then computer vision duo. So if you are registering for this Python and then computer vision duo, it is about the validity which is about only 2 months. But if you are registering for this this ultimate artificial intelligence AI bundle, ultimate bundle, at the price of 1299, you are going to get 6 months validity. This is a limited time offer where we are going to only provide it for like a Navratri special. It is a Navratri special which is only for up to the Navratri, guys. Okay, if you really want that, you can click the link. Okay, so give me a sec, I'll change the link now. I think I have shown the previous link, I think. Okay, give me a sec, I'll change the link now. Okay, it is showing 499, right? Yes, because that is not off offer, that is a original price. Now I'll give the new offer price link. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, so AI ultimate bundle. Okay, so the person who posted that is a 4999. I'm really sorry because I posted the original link, but since it is a Navratri special, it is going to have the offer code called a Navratri bundle or Navratri special or something like that. It is Navratri special. Yes, the offer code is Navratri special. You can use the code, or you can please click the link which I've given now. Okay, so this is the Navratri special, guys. I've given the link in the live chat. Okay, so I think you guys got this, and from tomorrow session we are going to be completely hands-on on project based learning. So each and every day you are going to learn one programming based on like little project. Okay, so I think you guys really enjoyed this today's session. Okay, Sai Ramapriya, the person purple who already registered for 999 course combo before, which we have launched. You can, if you really want Python and then computer vision, you can go for 499 combo. Okay, so that link is given in the description below. Okay, guys, now we are in the Q&A, guys. If you have any questions, you can raise your questions in the live chat. And if you really enjoyed the session, today's session, you just share your experience in your live chat as well as other stuffs like this complete 10 days, which is also going to be for free as well. So you can learn, but you won't get the attachments like materials and such stuff. You won't get that. Other than that, you are going to get the values from like free session. You can see the session and you can type the program by yourself. Okay, other than that, if you guys have any doubt, please raise your questions in the live chat, guys. I'm really waiting for your questions. I really want to know about your questions. Okay, Albin, do you have any validity? Yes. For the Duo course, you will get 2 months validity, but if you are purchasing for AI Ultimate Bundle, you will get 6 months of validity. Thank you so much, Guzrin Hussain, for posting. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sanjay. And Mayuri, thank you so much for posting that. I really love this, Sanjay. And Karthikeyan, I really enjoyed, Sanjay. Thank you so much. And can we access these courses from the portal? Yes, you can access the course from the portal from the website called learn.pantechsolutions.net. Okay, so Kalyani, thank you Shahina, thank you Venugopal, and thank you Sara, and thank you Prem Kumar, thank you Harshita, thank you Milton Gaming. Enjoyed the session. Thank you Sanjay, thank you so much. And no question. Okay, the Karthikeyan, wonderful, wonderful. Meet Conver, it is really a great honor. Thank you so much. Okay. Ashwin Chavan, is it a recorded session? Internship, if you are registering for the internship, the recorded session will be there for you. Other than that, you can also attend the live session like this. Okay. Yeah. So that is Ojita. Thank you so much. Vishal Abhinav, I've already bought AI ML DA course. Vishal, if you really need only Python and then computer vision, please register for the DO. Okay, 499 DO, and you can get that DO. So this is limited because we are going to increasing the price, guys. So that's why if you really want, you just register for now itself, because this is only a Navratri special. It is not the throughout the complete offer. It is only a Navratri special. Humira Shaikh, thanks Sanjay, always enjoying your lecture. Thank you so much. It's really a great honor. Thank you so much. I feel really happy. Prakash, thank you. Jay Prakash, thank you. Rayala Sai Kumar, is this for basic? Yeah, it is completely from the scratch. Yes. Blue, some people are spreading some negativities. This is freaking bottle, some fake or something like that. It is not fake, guys. I can prove it to you. In what way I need to prove? You can please look for the Google review of Pantech Solutions. You just please visit to the Pantech. You just type Pantech Solutions. And another main thing, guys, there is other team which is also there. So other division which is Pantech e-learning. It is not us. And don't go with there. Okay, so instead of going for us, so if you really need my solutions or our solutions, like where you need my lectures, please register for Pantech Solutions, Pantech ProLabs. So this was our review. So this is 9120. So if you really want a proof, so to prove that it is not a scam and such stuffs, you just click the Google review and you can get a proof, guys. Okay, it is nearly like 4.7 reviews. So you just to see this reviews, you just to see the review, and this is going to be the proof. Okay, we are not a scam, but we got a lot of values, guys. We have given a lot of values. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. A lot of people are posting. Thank you. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, guys, I think there is no question here. I'm really feeling thank you, guys. You made an event to be very successful. Thank you so much for the first day of event. Still now 9 days are remaining there. Don't skip any session. So each and every day I'm expecting every people who are present here at the time of 4 p.m. Don't miss out any session. Only 10 days. We'll finish it off the Python, guys. Okay. I hope you will stay till the end of the day of 10th day. If you will stay till the end, you just post I will Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so and guys, if you guys want to follow me, okay, so if you want to follow me, you can also follow me through the LinkedIn. The LinkedIn link is also given in the description below. On the description, you just scroll down to the last, there will be connect with the speaker or something like that. So you just click the link and you can also follow me through the LinkedIn. And if you want to know about any courses and then offer which is going on, if you want to need to know about more details about the courses and those things, you can please contact this number, the contact number which is shown in this presentation. And then if you want to know about any project or product, please visit pantechsolutions.net, and you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Pantech Solutions. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. And so after 10 days of session, no exam, no exam will be there. Okay, don't worry, no exam will be there. Thank you so much. Lot of people are posting. I will Shilpa, Hani, Abhay, Lokesh, Srinivas, and Gudu, and Shangavi, and Mangesh, and Sudarshan. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I feel really happy for you. Thank you so much. By seeing this message, I feel really happy. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, guys, I think you guys have enjoyed the today's session. So still now we have 9 remaining days. Don't leave any session. Attend each and every day of the session. There are a lot of project which is also waiting for you guys. I don't want to reveal some of the names of the project which we are going to do, but I can give some one project to you. You are going to develop a snake game by yourself, or you are going to create a graphical user interface. So likewise, apart from the agenda, you are going to get some bonus lecture also only for the internship participants. So don't miss out that some kind of projects event. So thank you so much. Thank you once again. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the tomorrow session.